Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the REOLINK Duo Floodlight Wi-Fi.
And RealLink sent us this for the review.
And I got the name right.
And you got the name right because that's a lot of words, right? It's RealLink, it's Duo. So Duo means it's got two lenses on the front, and it says floodlight because it has two floodlights on it. So these are basically 2,000 lumens. And it's, of course, Wi-Fi based. Now, I've already put the thing together. It comes basically the camera, the antennas, and this base unit, and then this little device here connected to the power supply to hook it up. And you just mount it on the wall, plug it in, and you got your camera. And the cool thing about the camera is it sees 180 degrees. So if you put this on the back of your house, for example, you could see your whole backyard. So that's pretty cool. So that's it. That's the RealLink Duo Floodlight Wi-Fi camera.
All right, so Mark's going to go off and install it, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.